This is the AI platform that's helping millions of creators, freelancers, and businesses automate their content creation and generate branded videos that help them grow faster and earn more. Zeni AI is an advanced AI video and creative platform offering lip-sync video generation, content enhancement tools, and automated workflows for creators, marketers, and designers. With Dzine AI, you can turn hours of complex work into minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. Right at the beginning, I explored the AI video generator feature. I started by creating a new project, then selected the aspect ratio according to my requirement. After that, I chose the latest model, WAN 2.6, known for delivering smooth and highly realistic results. Once everything was set, I uploaded an aesthetic image of a couple. I then wrote a prompt instructing the AI to generate a scene where they are sitting respectfully, talking nicely to each other with an overall aesthetic and romantic theme. After defining the idea, I set the quality to 1080p and selected the duration as 15 seconds. I also chose the shot type as single to keep the focus consistent, and then clicked on Generate. Within moments, the results were truly remarkable. The lip sync, facial expressions, and realism were incredibly accurate. It genuinely looked like a real-life scene captured on camera. After this, I moved to the lip sync feature to add voices. The best part is that Dzine AI automatically detects faces, so you simply select them and proceed. To speed up the process, I chose 2 AI-generated voices for the characters. Once everything was selected, I again set the output to 1080p and started the generation. After a short wait, the final video was ready.
What are your hobbies? Do you like to play guitar?
Love to play guitar.
And the smoothness and synchronization were outstanding. This clearly shows how Dzine AI simplifies complex workflows and removes hours of manual effort. Secondly, I explored the AI character generation feature, which is one of the most powerful tools on the platform. From the interface, I selected Consistent Character and chose the option to build a character. I uploaded multiple images to train my own character, then clicked on Train. After that, I added prompts describing the character's facial features and personality in detail. Next, I defined the scene. I specified that the character should be presenting an advertising desk lamp in an aesthetic office background, giving it a clean and professional look. Then, I moved to the control settings, where Dzine AI offers camera, pose, and reference modes. I selected camera mode to achieve more realistic output. For the aspect ratio, I chose canvas to maintain flexibility. In the styling section, I selected Dzine Realistic V3 since I wanted a natural and lifelike result. I also enabled the content filler option to enhance the overall composition. For generation mode, I selected HD to ensure the highest quality output. Once the process started, the system generated multiple video variations, allowing me to compare and A/B select the best one, which gives great creative control. After selecting the best version, I moved into the Canvas editor where multiple tools are available. I directly chose the lip sync option. The system already highlights the required areas, making it very easy to apply. It also offers multiple voice options for different types of characters. I then selected the video format. Next, it asked for voice input. You can either upload your own audio or choose from available voices. To keep the workflow quick, I selected one of the built-in voices and added the necessary details. I chose Pro mode for better precision and selected 1080p again for smooth output quality. Finally, I started the lip sync generation. Within a short time, the platform generated a complete video in 1080p with perfectly synchronized speech and natural expressions. After previewing the result, I downloaded the final video. And what stood out the most was how the character maintained a consistent identity throughout, which is essential for branding and storytelling.
This is the best useful product that you have ever tried. This is absolutely revolutionary.
I used another AI cinematic video feature, Kling 3.0, which is not like the normal AI video generation. It generates cinematic, realistic movie clips for you. Let's dive in to see how. At first, on the AI image interface, I prompted AI to generate a dining area with delicious food on the table, midday with cool breeze and cinematic vibe, then chose the aspect ratio to 16:9 with 4K. Now the image is being generated after generation. Next thing we have to do is designing a character, so then I prompted, which is a man with a charcoal suit and short brown hair sitting on the dining chair and loving the food while eating. For prompting, you have to get into the details. You can also use an image reference of how a character should look. Now, we have gotten our scene and character, so let's look forward to action, camera, and audio. So you can see this creating. And then choose the video generation model to Kling 3.0. Then we have multi-shots option. So we're going to turn that off. We are going to select an option and then paste it to the Dzine's interface on the prompt section. And then here we have our framing options. Then we're going to choose aspect ratio to 16:9 and the quality to 1080p, set duration to 15 seconds, turn the volume on, and then click on the arrow. As you see, it looks like a clip from a movie or high-end TV series. Next, moving on to the Nanobanana Pro 2. Here we are going to put a thumbnails image and then prompt AI to change it to a totally different movie with the same characters doing Shy Dive Call title to No Time to Smash. We click on to generate my setting default aspect ration, and here are the absolute realistic magical results.
Overall, this experience clearly shows how Dzine AI keeps everything in one place and streamlines the entire creative workflow. From generating realistic videos and adding synchronized voices to building consistent characters and editing within the same platform, every step is optimized for speed, quality, and ease of use. The detailing, the control, and the output quality are truly top-notch, making it one of the most powerful AI creative platforms available today. If you're a content creator, marketer, or someone looking to scale content production while maintaining high quality, Dzine AI is definitely worth using. It not only saves time, but also enhances creativity by turning your ideas into professional-grade videos effortlessly.